Hey guys, it's Humanity or Annabelle. I got a mic this time, so hopefully I sound a lot better. And so for this speed cover, I'm making it for another Wattpad user, and I thought it'd be interesting to show the process of what it's like to make a cover for somebody. And I asked, was it 1 or 2 days ago on my message board if I should do a voiceover, just do a regular speed cover, and a few of y'all said to do a voiceover, so I thought it'd be interesting to do that, just to quickly explain my process and why I do it. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so there I was, looking at the face claim, looking at the form to see what I need to do, and I go back and forth a lot between the cover or whatever I was doing on Photoshop to make sure I get everything that the person wanted on there, in this case Skylar. And so I try to find the best quality images, and I just looked up what she wanted. She wanted dragons in there, and so I thought that'd be really fun. And so I got the face claim and I'm making a mask out of it. At first I was really bad at figuring out the mask selection tool, and so I figured it out, and I might post a tutorial on how to do that because it was really confusing at first. And so I got the dragon tattoo and I added a mask just in case if I mess up, but it wasn't needed because I'm perfect. I'm just kidding. And so I wanted the background to be simple, so I got this picture of this really dark forest, and I wanted it a little lighter, so I fixed that. Added the moon. If you hear a fan in the background, that's my fan in my room and my MacBook computer fan, going crazy right now. So I added a glow around her. I was debating on whether I should keep the fire embers in there. I don't know. I kept it in at the end, but I was very picky with it. I was like, I don't know. So I added the PSDs in there, just so I can know what it looks like all together. That's how I keep a track of everything. I don't like to do that very last. I like to do it in the beginning so I know what it looks like with a filter, so I can easily adjust it when I know what's wrong. I added red and blue dragons in there. Ooh, okay, so for the eyes, as you can tell, I was looking at oh my god, she wanted to it was optional to have a glow around them. Every time I try to do it, it never ends up well. Never. So I was trying to make it natural if I could, try to have a black gradient around it, but it didn't work out. I just gave up. I don't know about y'all, but I hate choosing a font. I'm really picky with it. I just end up using the same 5 because I just don't know what to do, and I end up changing the font later on. I never like the fonts I choose. I really like the colors in this one, a red and blue, because they're both primary colors, obviously, haha. But I think it really does have a strong contrast to them, because I forgot. What's the opposite of the color wheel of red? I should know this. I'm an art major. She said she would like some flames in there. Skylar thought it would be cool if I had some flames, and I messed around with it. I tried to make it seem natural as possible, but I didn't end up liking anything that it did. So I decided to keep the embers in there as a little replacement for the flames. So this cover is at the end basically, and so I think it's cute. I like how it turned out. I think I can do a lot better. It's just today, I don't know, my motivation was kind of low. I just wanted to make something in Photoshop, and I hope you like it, Skylar. If there's when I'm making a cover of someone, I have to make sure that the person who requested it ends up liking it. I want to make sure that they like it because it's gonna be their cover in the end and they're gonna use it, so that's a really important thing to keep in mind when you're making a cover of someone. But yeah, if you have any questions at all, let me know. I'll try my best to help out as best as I can. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great day or night. Okay, yeah, bye.